So you shot a music video and wasted that whole budget. You wasted a full day's salary or 2 full days' salary on a music video in a time of which short form content reigns supreme. But that's okay. You can take that wasted budget and flip it into a positive. What you need to do is you need to take your music video now and break it into 4 bar shorts. So for every 4 bars of the song that you shot a music video for, you need to make that into short form content and place that on all of your social media platforms. Now imagine how many clips of content you can get with that wasted music video that isn't getting traction and isn't getting views.